To use the Square point of sale checkout integration with Nutralysis, you need a mobile device such as an iPad, an iPhone, or any Android phone with the Square point of sale application installed. Then, to check out a patient using your Square point of sale account, simply do your normal front desk checkout flow. That means posting and closing the packing lists like normal. Once you have posted and closed a packing list, an alert will be sent via your Nutralysis account. You can then go to your mobile device, such as your iPad or your Android phone where the Square point of sale app is installed, and check your alerts. It will show you an alert for the packing list that is ready to be paid. You can see here at the top of the screen, there is one ready for payment right now. Simply touch that alert. It will take you to the packing list that has been posted and closed and is now ready for payment. To pay this using the Square point of sale checkout, simply scroll to the bottom, go over to the payment button, and touch the payment button. You can indicate the type of payment. Any type of payment will not go to Square point of sale. To use Square point of sale, you must use the credit card option here. Clicking that will take you into the Square point of sale app with the amount pre-filled. Indicate the way you want to process this. Normally, of course, you would probably process with a card reader. For the sake of this demo, I'm just going to process this as cash. So here we go. We're going to charge this. This has completed the sale in Square. To return to Nutralysis, you can go back or hit New Sale. This indicates that the Square point of sale app has completed the processing of the transaction and the payment is posted to Nutralysis. That is how you process a payment for a packing list using Square point of sale.